Very good morning to all of you. Here, I, Chandrakala Gaud, on behalf of Global International School and Junior College, welcome you all for our today's webinar. Our today's webinar is based on one interesting topic, that is resilience in children. And we can say it as a building resilience in children. Now, you will say that what is the resilience? For that, we are having today's guest, Dr. Preeti Sunar ma'am. Ma'am has done work in education field many years, and ma'am is an author, trainer, motivational speaker, and passionate about educator. And even ma'am received many of wonderful awards. Now I would like to request Preeti Sunar ma'am to start our today's webinar.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, Binsi ma'am. A very good morning to all lovely students present here. Chandrakala ma'am, I just wanted to request you to share the screen.
Yes.
If you can share the PPT that I have shared with you, and then we can proceed.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Am I audible and visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes. Is the PPT visible now?
Not it.
Not yet, it seems.
Just a minute.
Okay,
Okay,
yes.
now?
I think it is in process. Yeah, it is in process. Great.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your effective coordination. Okay. Hi, and a very good morning, lovely students. Hi. Say
Good
hi.
morning, teacher.
Good morning. Happy morning. How are you all today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow. What about others? Everybody is happy?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. What do you see on the screen? My goodness, there is something very special on the screen. We can see people with superpowers, right? We can see a super woman and we can see a superman. Do you all wish to become a superman and a superwoman? Yes, super girl and a super boy? Yes or no? If yes,
Yes.
just raise your hand and say, yes, I want to be a super boy and a super girl. You can raise your one hand. I can see you. So at least I can see some of you. आपको सुपर बॉय और सुपर गर्ल बनना है?
Yes.
Yes. तो जोर से आवाज आनी चाहिए. Yes, ma'am. We want to be super boy and a super girl. Okay, great. Great. So you know, okay, do you know my name by now? Chandrakala ma'am has told you my name.
Preeti Sonal.
Oh yes, so you all can say that you all can call me Preeti ma'am. ठीक है? Okay? And do you also know that I actually love one thing. Do you know what is that thing that I love the most? No? I will show you what I love the most. ओके मैं आपको अभी बताऊंगी कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है. आपको जाननी है? Do you want to know? Okay, ma'am, can we go to the next slide to show children what I like the most?
Okay.
See, now you will see the thing that I love the most. What is that thing? Ma'am, can we go to the next slide, please?
We are on next slide. Is it visible?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay. Now?
Yes, now it is visible. Wow, that's great. So what do you all see in this beautiful PPT? Small children like you. आप सबको क्या दिख रहा है? आपको आपके जैसे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे दिख रहे हैं?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yes. We all can see lovely kids. So what I love the most is I love kids. I love small children. But I know what you love the most. Okay. Nobody will, Chandrakala ma'am, I think somebody has pinned something else. We will have to, share our slides once again.
Okay.
My dear
Now
children,
is it
आप
comfortable?
कोई भी बटन नहीं दबाएंगे, ठीक है, स्क्रीन के ऊपर, ओके? क्योंकि हम कुछ शेयर कर रहे हैं ना, तो you will not click on any of the button, ठीक है? You all are good children, ना? Okay. So, okay, I told you that what I love the most, I love you all. I love the small children, right? But I also know that you love something else. I know what you love, what you like the most. And I'm going to show you what you like the most. Do you want to see what you like the most? आपको देखना है आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा क्या लगता है? Yes? So you nod with a smile. Yes, ma'am. We want to see. Okay, I will show you. Okay. Ma'am, the screen is visible, but then we will have to, make it big.
Big.
Okay. Yeah, I have pinned it, so I can see it. I hope everybody else also can see.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, can we move to the next slide to show children what is, what is that thing that they like the most?
Okay, here I am presenting.
Yes, ma'am. Wow, great. So, my dear children, we all can see here that there is something special. What do you see on the screen? There is someone else also present with me today. And who is that? Can you all see me? So there is a small window on the, I think, on the right side of your screen, and you can see me. See here. Who is there with me? Say hi. There is my friend Kitty. Kitty, do you want to say hi? Hi. Hi. Hey, see, he has got some gift for you. Do you want to see that gift? Let me show you. Let me show you that gift, because I know what you love the most is gift. You all like to have gifts, right? चलो मैं आपको एक गिफ्ट दिखाती हूँ जो मैं आप सबके लिए लाई हूँ, ठीक है? अभी 1 मिनट के लिए हम स्क्रीन को बंद करेंगे. मैम, कैन वी स्टॉप शेयरिंग फॉर 1 मिनट प्लीज?
Yes, done.
वाओ, ग्रेट. ओके, आप सबको मैं दिखाई दे रही हूँ. कैन यू ऑल सी मी?
Yes.
Wow,
Yes, ma'am.
Lavanya is so happy. Very good. So I hope I am showing you something and you all can see that. Can you see this? Wow, there is a gift. Can you all see this gift? Yes? You can see?
Yes.
Wow, great. I am going to
Yes,
do something
ma'am.
with this. Okay, I'm going to do something with this and you have to tell me what do you observe. Okay, I'm going to ask my daughter. She's also like you. She's also small like you. She's going to do something with this toy. Okay, and you have to guess. You have to guess what she is doing. Okay. Now observe. I will just move the screen a little. I hope the toy is visible to everybody. Okay. Now you have to observe very carefully. ध्यान से देखो कि दिशा क्या कर रही है उस टॉय के साथ. आप सबको टॉय अच्छा लगता है ना? Now you have to see what she is doing with the toy. I will be on one side. Oh, she is pushing. She is hitting the toy. She is hitting the toy. Disha, hit it once more. Oh, she has again hit it. What has happened? Oh, now I will hit it to see what happens. In 1 minute. See, it is moving. It is moving left, right. So again, if I hit it, it is again moving. But what is happening is, it is coming back to its normal position. What is happening? The toy, when we hit the toy moves. But it comes back to its normal position. Have you observed? क्या हो गया?
Yes.
क्या? हमने टॉय को मारा, पुश किया, टॉय आगे पीछे हुआ, राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड गया, बट वापस टॉय अपने पोजीशन पर आ गया. You know that is what is the power of this toy. This toy is not normal. It is a special toy, and we all have this special ability. Even if somebody hits us, even something happens to us, whether it is, anything, whatever happens to us, we also get shattered. We also get disturbed. But we have some superpower. I can tell you what is that power. We have that superpower, and because of that superpower, we can be happy always. Do you all want to be happy always? Do you all want to smile every time? आपको हंसना अच्छा लगता है? मस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है? स्माइल करना अच्छा लगता है? Yes. Smile. So everybody will smile. And by the time you all smile, ma'am will again share the PPT with us. Okay? So be with me and smile. Come on, everybody has to keep that pleasant smile on your faces. Oh, you all look so beautiful with that smile. Everybody shake her. Everybody has to smile. Come on. Yay! See, Dipali also is smiling. That's great. Very good. Very good. See, you all look so beautiful when you all smile. Beautiful, beautiful. Hope you all have observed that there is something special in the toy. And what is that special thing? That the toy has a superpower. Do you all want to have that superpower? Yes. आप सबको वो सुपर पावर चाहिए तो आपको करना होगा. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं व्हाट इज दैट सुपर पावर. और सुपर पावर के साथ आई वांट टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन. ओके, एनीबॉडी कैन आंसर. लावण्या, यू आल्सो कैन आंसर. ओके, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपको है कि by going with the next segment we can move to the next slide. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपको है कि what is the special thing which we have received from God. कि कौन सी सबसे प्यारी चीज है जो हमें गॉड ने दी है? बताइए आपको कौन सी चीज है? कौन सी है? What is the special thing that God has given us? Oh, your parents, your mama, definitely. But there is one more thing. You know what is it? It is life. We all are living, na? We all are life. The best thing that God has given us is life. Okay? ठीक है? Understood? So what is the special thing that God has given us? Life. Come on, say everybody. What is the special thing that God has given us? It is life. Okay? Okay. But do you know, children, every day when we get up, oh, don't share anything. I told you. कोई भी किसी बटन को नहीं दबाएगा. Chandrakala ma'am, I think you have to again go back to our slide. Okay, so by the time ma'am will go back. Oh, the small little boy with a red cap. Beta, you pay attention. You are such a cute boy. Pay attention to what ma'am is telling you. I'm going to give you a superpower today. So pay attention. Okay? Okay. So, can we have the PPT, ma'am? Chandrakala ma'am. My dear children, आपको मुझे एक और बहुत अच्छी सी बात बतानी है कि जब आप every day when you get up, you see a new day, right? But every day cannot be a special day. जिस दिन आपका बर्थडे होता है आपको कैसा लगता है? You all can make faces, okay? जब आप जिस दिन आपका बर्थडे होता है, the day when it is your birthday, how do you feel on that day? Do you feel happy? Do you feel happy? If you feel happy, smile. Dipali, Sangeeta, Lavanya, Shekhar, do you feel happy when it is your birthday? You feel happy, na? Yes, feel happy. But what happens? Okay, very good. You all feel happy. But what happens if it is a day when your mama has scolded you? अगर आपकी मम्मा ने आपको डांट दिया तो आपको कैसा लगता है? वो डे कैसा हो जाता है? Sad हो जाता है थोड़ा सा. That day becomes little sad for you. Is it? Oh. But then when mama gives you chocolate, the day becomes happy for you, right? Yes or no? Yeah, I know you all love chocolates and ice creams. Who all loves chocolates and ice cream? Everybody loves, even I love chocolates and ice cream. Okay, so do you know that all days are not same? Every day is different. Some days makes us happy. कुछ दिन हमें खुश करते हैं और कुछ दिन हम थोड़े से दुखी हो जाते हैं. But then हमारे पास अगर ये कुछ सुपर पावर्स होंगे तो हम हमेशा खुश रहेंगे. मैं आपको वो सुपर पावर्स बताने वाली हूँ, ठीक है? Chandrakala ma'am, can we have the PPT on the screen, please? And can we go directly to slide number 6? Ma'am, are you there?
मैंने बोला है कि सुपर पावर्स किसके पास है?
हाँ, मैं बताने वाली हूँ किसके पास है सुपर पावर और जिसके पास नहीं है उसके पास कैसे आएंगे.
मेरे पास सुपर पावर.
Chandrakala ma'am, are you there? Can you share the screen, please?
सिंगल मैम क्या बोले फॉलो करोगे?
Give me 1 minute. I think Chandrakala ma'am must be facing difficulties.
सुपर पावर.
Okay, ma'am is doing, but she's facing some problem. So wait for 2 minutes, okay? Okay, so by the time madam is sharing the PPT, let me share the superpower with you. Okay.
Yes.
Now, do you have a small mirror beside you? आपके आसपास छोटा सा मिरर है?
इस घर में सब उठाते हैं.
इस घर में मिरर है? आपके घर में मिरर है ना? तो आपको क्या करना है? नहीं है तो आपकी मम्मा के आईज में देख लो. If you don't have a mirror right now beside you, आप सब अपने मम्मा के आंखों में देख लो, because you are the apple of the eye of your mama, right? हाँ, very good बेटा. You have brought the mirror. I can see a blue color mirror in your hand. Very good. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? उस मिरर में अपने आप को देखना है. अपने आप को देखो, मुझे मत देखो, अपने आप को मिरर में देखो. कैसे लग रहे हो आप? अच्छे लग रहे हो ना? अब आपको स्माइल करके अपने आप को मिरर में देखना है. You smile and see. हाँ, now how do you see? अभी आप कैसे लग रहे हैं? स्माइल करते हुए आप कैसे लग रहे हैं? You all look so beautiful when you smile, right? तो आपको पता है पहला सुपर पावर क्या है? First super power is you have to always smile. What is first super power? That you have to always smile. Okay? Even when there is a difficulty, you have to always smile. ठीक है, समझ में आया? पहला सुपर पावर समझ में। अभी मैं आपको एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट सुपर पावर, यस मैम, चंद्रकला मैम, वी कैन go to the PPT. Yes.
Yeah, just for. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can go to slide number 6 if I am not wrong. Yes, beta. Okay. अभी हम वापस से एक वीडियो देखने वाले हैं। बहुत सुंदर सा वीडियो है, उसमें आपको दूसरा सीक्रेट नजर आएगा। पहला सीक्रेट सबको समझ में आ गया? What is the first secret? We have to always smile. Yay! What is the second secret? I will tell you. But for before that, I show you a video. Madam is going to show you a video, and when you will see that, the video is of a small girl, just like you, beautiful like you, strong like you. So Madam will show us that video. Ma'am, can we go to that video?
Okay, can we go for video?
Yeah, we can go for the video.
Kindly all of you off your mic. Yeah, dear all students, kindly off your mic. You will hear the perfect sound from video. Okay, all of you. I request all students to off your mic. Very good. You all are good student. Now I'm just going to play one video. Okay, so here I'm going to share. Let's see the video. Okay, is the video screen visible to you? All of you?
Ma'am, it is.
ये क्या है?
Ma'am, it is visible, but
Yes, ma'am.
audio is not there. Video is visible, but please check audio connection.
मैं कभी ये वीडियो नहीं देखी।
Now?
Yeah. Perfect. Ma'am, the video is freezed, it seems.
Yes, ma'am.
The video is freezed, it seems. Yeah, now it is moving. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we can go back to the slides.
Okay.
Thank you so much for sharing the video. Children, if you have seen the video, I'm also going to tell you what exactly we have seen in the video. Okay? ठीक है, मैं आपको बताऊंगी हमने वीडियो में क्या देखा. ठीक है? Okay. So in this video that we have seen a beautiful girl. Can you all see this beautiful doll in my hand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, everybody can. Okay, so you know what we have seen in the video, that there is now this doll is a beautiful girl. Everybody will mute their mic. Okay, mute your mic. Mute your mic.
Mute your audio, everyone.
Yes, very good. Now listen to me. Okay, listen to me carefully. This is a small girl, you know. Now this girl wants to dance. Okay, but you know what happened with this girl? Unfortunately, this girl has only one leg. Can we see many times what happened? Even with our both legs, we cannot dance. है ना? Many times it happens now. We need lot of practice. But this girl wants to dance, but she has only one leg. But you know what happened?
Two legs क्यों नहीं है?
एक ही है इसको एक ही है. 2 legs नहीं है, इसको एक ही leg है. और पता है क्या होता है? वो बोलती है कि अपनी मम्मा को बोलती है, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को बोलती है कि मुझे तो डांस सीखना ही है. She tells her mother and her grandparents that I want to dance. I want to learn dance. And you know what happens? She practices. And one day a magic happens. Some magic happens. You know what is that magic? That magic happens is that her parents helps her to put an artificial leg. Okay, so they help her. They take her to the hospital. With the help of a doctor, वो एक artificial leg लगाते हैं, and with lot of practice for many days with her artificial leg, she is able to dance, and then she becomes happy. What is the secret that she has? What is the secret that she has? Never give up. I can do it. Okay? What is the secret? That she tells to herself that I am the best. She tells to herself, I am the best. Tell to yourself, everybody will tell to themselves. Come on. I am the best. Say to yourself one more time.
I am best too.
Say to yourself one more time. I am the best. Say with a smile. Keep that smile on your face and say, I am the best. Wow. That's it. How do you feel? You feel strong? You feel strong?
Yes.
That's it. Ma'am, we can go to slide number 9. Let us go to next secret. So secret number 1, smile. Smile every day. What is the second secret? We should never give up. We should always say to ourselves, I am a strong boy. I am a strong girl. I am the best. I can do everything whatever I decide. Now we go to number 11. Ma'am, can you put to slide number 11. This lovely kids, they are enjoying. Then we go to next
Bye.
slide number 11. Come on, let us see what is the next secret. Let us see what is the, and we will keep this beautiful girl on one side for some time. Okay? She will take some. She will need some rest, huh? Okay. Let us see. Yes. What is the next secret? The next secret is. So the next secret is we should have positive attitude. Was there positive attitude in this beautiful girl? जिसको डांस नहीं आता था, but उसने डांस सीखना है ये डिसाइड किया, and she learned how to dance. Right? So, my dear friends, let me give you one example. Sometimes आप सोचो कि आप साइकिल चला रहे हो, यू आर राइडिंग अ बाइसाइकिल एंड यू फॉल. आप साइकिल चला रहे हो और आप साइकिल चला गिर गए. How will you feel? You may get hurt. You will feel bad. But you keep your cycle just like that. You again get up. You again take your bicycle and you again ride it with a hope that one day you will ride smoothly. Right? So if you want to be a super boy, after the first secret,
मैम प्लीज चेक योर ऑडियो. आपका ऑडियो म्यूट हुआ है.
अभी आ रहा है आपको मेरा आवाज?
यस मैम आ रही है.
तो आपको मेरा आवाज अभी आ रहा है, तो आपको सुनाई नहीं दिया होगा ना मैंने क्या बोला अभी पीछे? नहीं सुनाई दिया होगा ना? ओ, तो मैं आपको वापस से बताती हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैव अ मैजिक ऑफ कनेक्टिंग विद द चिल्ड्रन. राइट? चलो, मैं आपको ये बता रही थी कि कभी कभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको साइकिल चलाना आता होगा, है ना? तो जब आपको साइकिल आप चलाना सीख रहे होंगे तो आप गिरे होंगे. आप जब साइकिल चलाना सीखे होंगे तो हो सकता है आप गिरे होंगे. तो आपने क्या किया? when you were learning to how to ride a cycle and you know fell down, you got up. Am I right? I saw you. When you fell down, you got up, you took your bicycle and again you took that ride till you learned the bicycle. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
right.
So because I saw you the other day when you were riding the bicycle. So my dear children, always remember that whenever you are trying something, आप कुछ भी सीख रहे हो, फ्यूचर में आप गिटार बजाना सीखो, या आप कैसियो बजाना सीखो, या आप डांस सीखो, या आप cooking सीखो, or you learn mathematics, science, you should always remember that you should never ever feel that you cannot do it. You should always realize that even if you fall, you have to get up. You know why? Because आपने word सुना है fail? Have you listened to that word fail? आप पढ़ाई नहीं करते तो आपको कोई तो भी बोलता होगा study otherwise you will fail. बोलते हैं, मम्मा बोलते हैं पढ़ाई करो नहीं तो फेल हो जाओगे. Right? And that is why you all study. Your teacher tells you study otherwise you will not score good marks. Right? And every time you listen to your parents, to your lovely teachers. So my dear friend, remember, even if you participate in a competition, but you don't win in that competition, you should not feel sorry. Rather, you should try next time with more effort so that you can win. Okay? Your teachers must have told you participation is important. other than winning. You can win or you may lose, but what is important is you should participate, and even if you don't win, you have to learn how next time I can win. You have to learn from your failures. समझ में आया? ठीक है, समझ में आया? आपको थोड़ा पावरफुल लग रहा है? You all are feeling powerful now? Yes, I am feeling powerful. Do you do like this? Do you feel powerful?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Wow, great, great. Yes. Come on, be strong. Are you all strong? Are you all strong? Wow. Yes, you all are strong. Very good. Now let us go to the next slide, ma'am. Everybody is feeling powerful. Let us see what madam has for us. See, ma'am is going to change the slide and she's going to tell us next secret. Yes, ma'am. Can we have the next slide, please? What is there in the next slide? What is there? What is there? Oh, ma'am, can you please share? We all are excited to see, because there are lots of secrets in the upcoming slides. Not yet. We are waiting. Yes. So the next secret is very special. You see a beautiful girl with a smile. You all can see a beautiful girl. दिखता है, एक लड़की दिख रही है, सुंदर सी लड़की दिख रही है स्माइल के साथ में.
Students, please mute your audio.
Everybody will mute their audios. Okay, come on, mute your audios. Mute your devices.
Please mute your audio, everyone.
जो सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल है वो टीचर की सुनता है.
म्यूट करो आपका ऑडियो बेटा.
Okay, they are so loving. They all listen to you, ma'am. Wow, that's amazing. That's great. Okay, so my dear children, I was telling you about this girl who you can see who is smiling, right? Now, my dear friends, you know what is the secret to become powerful? The next secret is that you should never say no to anything. Never say no to anything. For example, if madam tells you that there is going to be a spelling competition, madam tells you that there is going to be a session, there is going to be a racing competition, there is going to be a dance competition, there is going to be a singing competition. मैम आपको बोलते हैं कि बहुत सारे competition होने वाले हैं और आप अगर पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं करोगे तो आपको कुछ सीखने को नहीं मिलेगा, है ना? हो सकता है ना? तो आपको कभी भी ना नहीं बोलना है. आपको क्या बोलना है? You should always say yes for everything. So if your mama tells you that you have to participate in singing competition, if she prepares you for the singing competition with the help of your teachers, you have to say yes, mama. I will participate. I may win, I may not win. मैं जीतूंगा, जीतूंगी या मैं नहीं जीतूंगा या नहीं जीतूंगी, बट मैं पार्टिसिपेट जरूर करूंगी. ठीक है, समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट सुपर पावर. तो पहला सुपर पावर क्या था? वी शुड ऑलवेज स्माइल. कम ऑन, आपके चेहरे पे स्माइल लाओ. सबके चेहरे पे स्माइल लाओ. मुझे नहीं दिख रही अभी तक. Come on, you all can smile. Yes. So super boy and super girl always smile. What is the second secret? You should never give up. आपको कभी भी हार नहीं माननी है किसी भी चीज से. ठीक है? What is the third secret? Just now we have seen that you should not be scared of anything. ठीक है? आपको कभी भी किसी भी चीज से डरना नहीं है, because we are always there for you. Your teachers are there for you. Your parents are there with you. Everybody who loves you is around you to help you out when you are in trouble, right? चलो नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट देखते हैं क्या है मैम। हम सब नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट देखना चाहते हैं और आपको पता है वो नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि वो आपके फैमिली के बारे में है,
Yeah.
आपके पेरेंट्स के बारे में है।
Is it visible?
ये क्या है? देखो ये आपकी फिंगर्स है ना। सो लेट अस से दिस इज यू, ओके, दिस इज योर मम्मा, योर पापा, योर ब्रदर सिस्टर, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स। अभी क्या हो गया, आपको उन सब ने प्रोटेक्ट किया। What are they doing? They always, what do they do always? They are protecting you. Okay? वो आपका ख्याल रखते हैं। जब आप बीमार होते हो तो क्या करते हैं वो आपके पास में रहते हैं ना, राइट? वो आपको चेक करते हैं ना, आपको टेम्परेचर तो नहीं है, आपको सर्दी तो नहीं है। तो द नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट इज पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप। यू नो व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप? आपको अपने मम्मा को पापा को रोज हक करना है, आपको मम्मी और पापा को रोज थैंक यू बोलना है, आपको मम्मी और पापा को रोज उनके फीट टच करने हैं, मतलब उनके पाँव पड़ने हैं। आप पढ़ते हैं, डू यू रिस्पेक्ट योर पेरेंट्स? यस, आपके पापा मम्मी को आप रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं ना? करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। हमेशा लाइफ आप कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ लेकिन फिर भी आपको आपके पेरेंट्स को, आपके टीचर्स को, आपके फ्रेंड्स को हमेशा बहुत सारा प्यार करना है। If you are sitting with your parents right now, you can just say, I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa, and I am thankful to you because you take so much care of me. Okay? अगर वो अभी आपके आसपास नहीं है तो आप बाद में आपके मम्मी पापा को बोल सकते हैं। And every day you have to tell them that how much love you have in your heart for them. ठीक है बेटा, समझ में आया नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट? यस, डू यू फील पावरफुल नाउ? पावरफुल लग रहा है?
Yes.
Wow, great. Come on, let us go to the next secret now. Let us see what is there. Wow, ma'am, what is the next secret? We all want to know. What is the next secret? Let us see. क्या छुपा है next secret में? So let us revise by the
Is it
time we
visible?
are going to the next PPT. First is you should always smile. आप बहुत कंफ्यूज है, आप लोग हंसते ही नहीं है। देखो मैं कितना हंस रही हूँ, मैं कितना स्माइल कर रही हूँ, आप लोग क्यों नहीं स्माइल कर रहे हैं? Come on. So the first secret is you should always smile. Second is you should never give up. What is the third secret? That you will not say no to anything. You will participate in everything. Fourth secret is you will always love and respect your parents and teachers. Right? And what is the next secret? Ma'am, we can't see the next slide. Can we move to the next slide, please? First, slide number 14.
Okay, is it visible? Yeah. Is it visible now?
Not yet. Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, now.
Yes, now it is visible, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so this is the biggest secret. This your mama also can say to herself, your papa also can say to himself, and your grandparents also can say to themselves, and you of course have to say this to yourself every day. What is this? I am the best. What is the secret? You have to tell yourself, I am the best. Right? Can you say it now to yourself? Come on, everybody. Look at me. Look at the camera. अपने कैमरा की तरफ देखो, लावण्या. Now, everybody has to say to themselves, keeping the devices mute. आप डिवाइस को म्यूट रख के ही अपने आप को बोल सकते हैं, I am the best. Come on, बोलिए. I can see you all. I am the best. Wow. Wow. So how do you feel now?
I am the best.
Wow, Lavanya, great. Okay. Good. Very good. I can see other boys and girls also. So my dear children, every day, when you get up in the morning, you have to do? You know, when you get up in the morning, you have to go in front of the mirror and you have to say to yourself every day that you are the best. You have to say,
You have to be best. Yes. I am best.
clear to you?
I am best.
आप बोलेंगे अपने आप को, I am the best every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, great, great.
Fun.
तो अब नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट पे चलते हैं. ओके, अभी हम एंड पे आ रहे हैं. वी आर कमिंग टू द एंड ऑफ द सेशन. बट listen carefully. Listen carefully. Yeah, this is the most special secret. आपको पता है, जितने भी लोगों के आप फैन हो, आप किसके फैन हो सकता है कि आपको शाहरुख खान अच्छा लगता हो, आपको मैं क्या बोलूं आजकल के हीरो हीरोइंस, आपको आजकल देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एथलीट्स यू मस्ट बी फॉन्ड ऑफ. बहुत सारे हीरो, दीपिका पादुकोण, प्रियंका चोपड़ा. यू मे बी फॉन्ड ऑफ योर टीचर्स, यू मे बी फॉन्ड ऑफ विंसी मैम. आप जिनके भी बहुत बड़े फैन है ना, वो सब में बहुत अच्छी पावर है. पता है क्या है? वो हमेशा सबके थैंकफुल रहते हैं. दे आर ऑलवेज थैंकफुल टू एवरीबॉडी. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. आपके पेरेंट्स को आपको हमेशा क्या करना है? आपको हमेशा थैंक यू बोलना है. आपकी मम्मा आपको रोज दूध देती है, गिव्स यू मिल्क एवरी डे. आपके पापा भी देते होंगे कभी कभी, राइट? योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, आपकी दादी नहीं देते बोलो देने के लिए. आपकी दादी, आपकी नानी आपको ब्रेकफास्ट देते होंगे, है ना? कभी कभी शायद पापा आपकी पढ़ाई लेते होंगे. आपके टीचर्स आपके लिए कितना एफर्ट्स लेके ऑनलाइन टीचिंग लर्निंग करते हैं, राइट? तो जब भी वो ये सब करते हैं, आप उनको थैंक यू बोलते हैं. यू से थैंक यू टू देम? नो, sometimes you say, but not always. So now onwards, you have to tell your parents, you have to tell your teachers, you have to tell your parents, thank you. And think now, show me how you say thank you. They are sitting beside you. अगर वो आपके आसपास है, आप उनको बोलिए, thank you for all the help, all the care that you all do for us. ठीक है? आप बोलेंगे, आप करेंगे. आपको पता है, अगर आप सारे सीक्रेट्स करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? आप सब क्या हो जाएंगे? क्या हो जाएंगे? You all will become super heroes, right? आप सब क्या हो जाएंगे? सुपर हीरोज हो जाएंगे. तो आप करेंगे जो मैंने बोला. What all things I have told you, we will conclude. I will tell you what all things have been learned. सबसे पहले हमने क्या सीखा? We will always smile. Very good. What is the second thing we have learned today? We should never say no to anything. We should always say yes to everything. Yes. What is the third thing that we have? What is the third secret we have learned? What is the third secret we have learned? Yes. So my dear friend, we should always be, should never have fear of anything. हमें कभी भी डरना नहीं है. We should never have fear of anything. We should always participate in all the competitions. माइक से कभी कभी किसी को बचपन में डर लगता था, बट अभी बड़े होने के बाद उन्हें डर नहीं लगता. लेकिन आप तो अभी से छोटे हो, आप तो अभी से बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरते. इसीलिए आप सब क्या हो? सुपर हीरोज हो. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट हमने क्या सीखा? उसके बाद हमने नेक्स्ट सीक्रेट देखा. क्या देखा? वी शुड ऑलवेज बी, we should always have good relationship, positive relationship. आपको आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ, आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ, आपके टीचर्स के साथ में बहुत अच्छे से रहना है, कभी भी किसी को बैक आंसर नहीं करना है, आपको उनका हमेशा सुनना है. यू शुड ऑलवेज लिसन टू योर पेरेंट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज दे केयर फॉर यू. अगर वो बोलते हैं पढ़ाई करो, यू शुड स्टडी. व्हाई? बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल स्टडी यू विल बिकम सुपर बॉय. व्हेन यू विल स्टडी यू विल बिकम सुपर गर्ल. ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? After that we learned that we should always be thankful. हमें सबको क्या बोलना है? थैंक यू बोलना है. हाँ, और अच्छा एक हमने देखा कि जब हम सुबह उठेंगे हमें क्या करना है? We have to go in front of the mirror and we have to tell to ourselves something. What do we have to tell to ourselves? What do we have to tell? I am okay. You have to get up and you have to look into yourself, look into the reflection of your mirror. You will see yourself and you have to tell to your reflection that I am the best, and that when you will say, that will give you a magical power, and that magical power will make you resilient. That will make you, that will make you super powerful. So this girl who did not have a leg but who wanted to dance, she is resilient. What is she? She is resilient because with the help of an artificial leg she could dance. And what she said to herself every day? That I will do everything. I am the best. I do not have fear of anything. I respect my parents. I respect my teachers. I love everybody around me. I never give back answers to everybody. I learn from my failures. I participate in everything. I listen to my parents' instructions. I drink milk. I eat healthy food. And that is why I am powerful. So, there is nothing like I cannot do it. You should always say, I can do everything. What will you say to yourself? आप अपने आप को क्या बोलेंगे रोज? I can do everything. ठीक है? Understood?
I will
Do everything. Very good. Very good, my dear children. I hope that you have learned from this session which you will implement in your life. Okay? And you have to do this every day.
Can we go for the last slide?
Yeah, we can go for the last slide, please. So this is very beautiful picture that madam is going to share with us. Huh? Now see what is it. Wow. Can you? Yes, ma'am. Wow. What do you see? There is a girl like you. There is a small child like you. वो अपनी घोड़ा गाड़ी पे बैठी है. But she is going to become brave like Jhansi ki Rani. Why? Because she is also, I have shared with her also secrets of super power. हमने उनके साथ भी सीक्रेट शेयर किए हैं सुपर बॉय और सुपर गर्ल बनने के. एंड दिस लिटिल गर्ल इज यू, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी हैव टोल्ड यू टुडे so that you become super powerful tomorrow. ठीक है? आप बनेंगे. देखो क्या लिखा है वहां पे, बहुत अच्छा लिखा है. I am resilient. I am in the process of becoming the best version of myself. अगर आप रोज मेहनत करेंगे तो आज आप जो है और कल जो आप रहेंगे उसमें बहुत फर्क होगा. You all will become good, better, best. You all will not be good, but you will all become best. What you will become? Best. So today, you all have to promise me. Show me both the thumbs like this. Come on, lift your thumbs. Show me both the thumbs like this. Yes. And say to yourself, say that I promise. Say after me, I promise.
I promise.
I promise that I will be resilient. I promise. Okay, very good. और एक और चीज बोलनी है. I am the best. Say, I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best. Say it. Say, I am the best. Ah, I am the best. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Love you all. Love you all, children. Love you all. Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. Very good. Chandrakala ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Now I would like to request to all parents to kindly off the mic.
Please mute your audio, everyone. Very good morning to all.
Very good, my dear students.
Princey
Very
ma'am,
good.
and all my dear students and teachers. On behalf of Global International School, I, Mrs. Shraddha Sarpata, would like to take an opportunity to present a vote of thanks. First of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's session event a grand success. Thanks to other dignitaries on behalf of my school, I like to thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Preeti Sonar ma'am, who spent her busiest time gracing this occasion. Today we had the opportunity to hear you, ma'am, and I hope it will help us. Definitely, it's going to help us in our future. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
would like to thanks to our chairman Ken Kendri sir and our director Binsi ma'am for giving an opportunity to arrange an amazing and meaningful webinar. And I am extending my vote of thanks all teaching and non-teaching staff for making this event a success. And special thanks to my dear lovely students for listening this webinar patiently. I hope you all enjoyed this session, and you're going to tell a big thanks to Preeti ma'am. Everyone, a big thanks to Preeti ma'am.
On your cameras, all my dear students, on your cameras. You may thank you.
Everyone is going to thank to Preeti ma'am. Preeti ma'am, again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much, Binsi ma'am. Thank you, Honorable Chairman sir. Ken Kedani sir. Thank you, Chandrakala ma'am, for the assistance. Thank you, Shraddha ma'am, for vote of thanks. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, lovely children. Hope to see you all soon. Once again. Bye, bye. Love you all. Bye, bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. I am the best.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget
Have a
to
good
say,
day.
I am the best. Yes. Great.
Yes, we are the best. We are the best.
Yes. Great. Great. Can I leave, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.